So you fired up your Dyson, and this isn't spinning. It's stuck. Look, it's pretty much jammed. Oh, that's not supposed to fall off yet. But either way, you'll see that there's this little cap on one side of here. And it'll probably be aimed somewhat like this. So it's up like that. If you look here, it'll tell you which way to unlock it. Put a butter knife in here. Just the tip. Twist it. You'll see it twists. You'll have to pop it off. Pop this out. If I could get it out with one finger. Come on. Oh, there it is. Look at all this hair. If you have a Mika, or maybe a girlfriend with long hair, or some daughters with some long hair, you're going to start to see this in here, from which you're going to have to clean out. Once you get this all cleaned out, you'll look down here. Oh, there's nothing in there, but look at that. So this might actually be like jammed in here. And again, if you can't get this, that's what the butter knife's for as well. You can just kind of slip it out with a butter knife, but you need to clean that all out. Let's show you what it looks like. Some people might look in there and be like, oh, there's a washer or something there. No, that's all hair. So you need to clean that out so you see all that, and then go around here. And this one you might need scissors for, but you need to literally clean everything off. This roller, I can't do it with just this, but literally you could try and just pull it hair by hair or cut it out. After you do that, slide it back in, put the cap back on, lock it. You can see it's got grooves, so make sure you line the grooves up. Once you line the grooves up and turn it, go and put it on your vacuum. I bet you it's working again. Thanks again. Hope this video helped you out. Press like if it did, and subscribe for more.